Personalize your BMW with the BavAuto Emblem Color Change Kit. Here's how. Be sure the emblems are clean. Remove the color change decal sheet from your shipping package. Place the catalog aside for the reading room. Remove the decal sheet from the protective sleeve. The sheet includes various size decals for hood, trunk, wheel, and steering wheel emblems. Each circle is made up of 4 individual sections. Match the appropriate size circle up to the emblem. Peel one decal section from the circle and carefully position it over the section of the emblem that will be color changed. Once the decal section is in place, burnish the edges. Apply the next decal section in the same manner. Finish by burnishing with a cloth. Apply the appropriate decal sections to all of the emblems: wheels, hood, trunk, and steering wheel. The emblem color decal sets are available in a variety of colors. You can get yours at BavAuto.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like us on Facebook and Twitter and follow us on Instagram.